Y'all, my name is Kaila Cake. Welcome to my channel. So today we are doing another maintenance vlog. I know y'all love them, and I love them too because I love getting all done up cute, you know, just really feeling myself. So without further ado, let's go and get started. Make sure you guys hit the subscribe button, turn your post notifications on, follow your girl on Instagram at Kaila Cake, and yeah, let's just get right into it. All right, so I want to start with my wash day with Monday hair care. You guys know I've been using them recently, so I included a couple clips from my most recent wash days. I filmed my wash day, but then I was like, no, I need y'all to see this presentation, the aesthetics, everything that Monday put into their brand, because it is absolutely, like, look at this luxurious feel but at an affordable price. And I love that it's accessible to almost everyone. Everyone can go get Monday hair care and have the luxury feel that I felt when I was washing my hair all the times that I've used it. So I'm going to start with the shampoo. I love this because it doesn't strip my hair and it has my hair feeling hydrated but still clean. And I love that because usually a lot of shampoos strip my hair and have it feeling dry and brittle. This one, it does not do that. Along with the conditioner, I love how lightweight it is. Sometimes my curls don't really respond to super heavy products, so I just love how lightweight it is as my curls flowing, bouncy. Absolutely love it. So y'all definitely have to check out Monday hair care. I'll leave all the links down below. Look at my hair, curls popping and no product in it. I didn't feel the need to do any treatments this time because I was going to get treatments at my hair appointment, so I just wanted something clean and hydrated, and that's definitely what I got. I'm getting my hair done soon, so I just kind of threw it up in this bun. Y'all know I just cut my hair, so the fact that it can fit in a bun, and I made it look kind of big because my hair is curly, so it just has a lot of volume. I do have some stragglers, but that kind of doesn't look that bad. Okay, so I'm about to go get my lashes done by my girl Jazz, so let's get to it. I love a nice fresh lash set. I love how they look. I love how I look without them, but I love how I look with them. To me, lashes just make my life so much easier. Like, y'all, I put on my makeup and boom. Or I don't put on any makeup and I still kind of look, you know, put together. Sometimes I will fill in my eyebrows a little bit. For the most part, I just be walking out the house with my lashes, and I just feel like they make me look so awake, kind of, and like put together just a little bit, you know.
She vlogging.
We here.
Put my face in this camera.
Oh, I thought you might get your lashes done.
I am. Because look.
Oh,
I'm looking crusty. Look.
She look like this so we could look like, well, I'm gonna show
not
you
like
what we look
this,
like after.
but after.
Yes, we're about to get our lashes done by my girl.
I'm so pressed. I have my lash appointment today because look at how I'm looking. They're like hanging.
I got I'm doing a maintenance vlog, another one. Done. Period. Lashes are giving.
At the artist artistry.
Okay. Period. Do it now.
Read the policies and procedures, please.
Please read her policies, y'all. Oh my god.
Baby try.
Yes, we back. My hair looking wild. Yes, and she charged your phone for free. It's like, no.
Charging station.
It's like, no, it's $5.
Here you go.
$5 extra. Woo, okay. My little rinky dink tripod. Okay. Hey y'all, so just want to pop in and talk to you about my lashes real quick because a lot of people have questions and they also go to my lash tech and ask her questions too. So I just want to put it in a video for everybody that's asking questions. Also, if you're not in this area and you want to go to your lash tech and get something similar, so let's get into the specs. So for my lashes, I get a hybrid set. I get short to medium length for a natural look because I don't want them to be too crazy. I want them to still look good when I don't have makeup on, you know what I mean? And then I get a D curl, and then sometimes, well, recently she just started sprinkling a little bit of DD curl in there, which is more of a curl, just to give it a little something something, and I've been really loving it. So yeah, those are all the specs on my lashes. Now, one thing I do want to mention is that not every time can you take my specs and they're gonna look the same on you. That's because everybody's eye shape is different. Everybody has a different amount of natural lashes. I have a lot of natural lashes, so a hybrid set really looks very full on me, you know what I mean? Sometimes maybe you would have to get a volume set for yours to look like this because you don't have a lot of natural lashes. Or maybe you have more natural lashes than me and your hybrid set is going to look even thicker than this. So it really just depends on you. I would just recommend going to your lash tech, having a consultation, and ask her, how can you achieve this look? Like, which set of like lashes should you get to achieve this look? When I first went to my lash tech, I just showed her a picture of what I wanted, and then we kind of went from there. Like, we kind of adjusted over time, and now she know what I like. Okay, my girl Jazz, she's so bomb. So I'll leave all of her information down below. I'm gonna leave my whole glam squad, I call it my glam squad, y'all. I'm gonna leave my whole glam squad's information down below so y'all can check them out if you're in the area. And yeah, so just want to pop in and tell y'all that I look crazy, but SOS, because I literally cannot get these nails off. I'm watching the J-Lo documentary, y'all. They won't come off. They won't come off. I've been soaking them for like literally an hour. It says you only supposed to soak them for like 10 minutes. They won't come off. They will not come off. They will not come off. Like, when I tell y'all, these are so legit. Like, if you really want some good press-ons, these are it, because they do not come off. Like, I've had them on for maybe like a week and a half. Look at me, I'm in the shirts. Like, I've had them on for like a week and a half, and yeah, they literally have not budged at all. Like, I have hit my nails, hit my hand, like moved stuff, like picked up heavy stuff, like snagged them tons of times, and they never ever even at the slightest lifted, came off, like nothing. They literally did not budge. It's so crazy. Like, these are good, but I will say it just takes a while for them to come off. Like, they're starting to kind of come off a little bit, but like not enough for me. Okay, my nail appointment is literally at 11. It's like 9:30, so I'm panicking a little bit. It is 9:40. I have to leave here at 10:30. Oh my god. Okay, so I was able to get most of them off. I still have this. Can y'all see that little piece? Can't get it off. So hopefully Gabby can help me. We're back. Yes, ma'am. Yes. Hey, girl. All right. See that one? Oh yeah, that joint was not budging.
I've been losing friends and finding peace, but honestly that sound like a fair trade to me. If I ever heard one, then I'm still here outside, front line, south side. I've been losing friends and finding peace. Honestly that sound like a fair trade to me. Look, don't invite me over if you throw another pretty party. Looking back, it's hard to tell you where I started. I don't know who love me, but I know that it ain't everybody. I can never love her, she a busybody. Baby, if you want me, can't be turning up with everybody. Nah, can't be fucking on this anybody. Yeah, I got feelings for you, that's the thing about it. Yeah, you know that it's over when I sing about it. Yeah, mama used to be on disability, but gave me this ability.
About to get our hair done. I just have it in this little like half up, half down. I thought it was cute, but my girl came through with an early appointment, so we're about to get our hair done. So let's go. I'm excited. I'm about to actually get some color. I want to give you a closer look at my color really quick. I came in the bathroom because they have really good lighting in here. So here's a closer look at my color. As you guys see, I just have like blonde on the ends now. It's kind of very grown out. I never had my blonde all the way to my roots anyway, but I just want to go back my natural hair color. You know what I'm saying? I want a more sleek look. The color was cute. I've had it for like a year and a half or something like that. I feel like a good year and a half. So I'm ready to just go back to my natural hair color.
So what other styles do you want to try? Because I feel like now that you're going back to even your natural hair color,
I can do braids now.
you can do braids, girl. You can finally get so in.
I know. Please. No, girl, I really just need some bundles. That's my color.
You probably gonna have to.
So I can do whatever. Like I can do like a weird. About to get our hair done. Say hey, girl.
Hey, girl.
Okay.
I got my braids in.
Oh yeah, she got her hair done.
Girl.
Now it's my turn.
It's not. Like you literally.
That's why I want to get my hair just one color so that I can just have one color braid.
Yeah.
Cause the blonde it was cute,
It's
but
not
it's just
even,
not.
Cause I feel like you're just like a 30 or 27 mix.
Yeah, but it's just not.
It's not
cute. It's not cute.
Well, now you can really do like,
cause then they be trying to put like the blonde up here so it gives like a little highlight, and I just it's not. You know. I look like fucking T.I. and Tiny Son.
no.
I don't think you feeling me, I'm out here being everything they said I wouldn't be, it couldn't be. I don't know what happened to them guys that said they would be. I said see you at the top and they misunderstood me. I hold no resentment in my heart, it's that maturity. We don't keep it on us anymore, it's with security. I'm outside, 29, G5, seaside. I've been losing friends and finding peace, but honestly that sound like a fair trade to me. If I ever heard one, and I'm still here outside, front line, south side. I've been losing friends and finding peace. Honestly, that sound like a fair trade to me.
Back, and now let's talk about my hair. So my hair, I know y'all probably like, girl, stop changing your hair. We tired, like stop it. Okay, we're exhausted. Even before I did the blonde, I had this whole thing mapped out of my head. I'm like, I'm gonna go through all these fun phases of hair, and then I'm just gonna go back to my natural hair color and just ride it out from there. So basically she just added color onto my hair to match my natural hair. If you are an OG, then you know this ain't nothing new. This is pretty much a blast from the past for y'all, but for my new girls who probably came in during the blonde hair era, this is what your girl used to look like. She did mix a lot of different colors. I believe she said she mixed 3 different colors to get my hair color, because my natural hair color, it doesn't seem that much complex because it literally just looks like a ash brown on camera, but in real life it's kind of unique. So she had to mix a lot of colors to pretty much achieve something similar, but I do love that you can still kind of see the difference because it gives my hair a little something, a little interest to it. So yeah, absolutely love. And then I also got, I don't know if you could tell, but I did get a couple little like layers in the front here just to frame my face, also to give me some body when my hair is like curled or my hair is curly. It kind of gives me like a little shape to my face, you know. And y'all know I just cut my hair, and like literally right here it grew all that in like what, my hair is shooting out of my head. I haven't been using any growth products. I don't know what's going on. My hair is just going insane, and I'm not mad at it. One thing I will say though is that both my parents, their hair grows really fast, so maybe that has something to, well, I know it has something to do with it. But I do just try to keep it moisturized. I did a hair Q&A, I'll leave that down below, of a bunch of questions that everybody asked, and I showed like a lot of products in that video that I've been using. Nothing's really changed, but if something does, then I will do an updated one, but nothing's really changed, so y'all can check that video out.
You got desires, I know. You got desires, you got that fire, and I'm not alive. You had me down on my knees, every day, hit the time beside. I'm in that 80 and one of the it's fire. I try to pay all your mom, all because you a job. I had to stand too close to the city, Katy, Texas, Dallas, Texas, you know a different environment. You got desires, I know.
Toes are done. I look crusty, but I'm about to get cute. Throwing some makeup, put my hair down, and refresh it a little bit, and then she's gonna be cute. All right, y'all, so that is it for the video. I feel so pretty, so pampered, so self-love doing, like, I just love it. Honestly, it really boosts your mood. When you do a lot of stuff for yourself, like really good things, nice things for yourself, you feel so good. Now, I didn't get to do everything that I want to do for this video, but that's just a realistic part of this video. It's just life, you know what I'm saying? Not all the time do we have all the time in the world to pamper ourselves every single day, every minute of the day, you know? But when I can, I definitely try to set aside some time to pamper myself so I feel good, I feel loved on by myself, you know, just get myself feeling a lot better. Anytime that you can find to treat yourself, to pamper yourself, to love on yourself, do it. I promise you, it feels so good. Even if it's only a minute of a day, like just do something nice for yourself. So yeah, I love you guys. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Peace.